Hello guys, so today I'm reviewing mod called Mod Packs for Jail San Andreas. This mod actually made by Andre Abdul, and let's start the mod. So this is the mod is all about. You can spawn girls. The girl is so helpful because if you spawn him, if you sex him, he's gonna give you a gun called AK and double shotgun with unlimited ammo. So, so So let's start it. Let's start the mod. Enjoy the video, guys. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. If you want more mods, you just subscribe and comment if you want more mods. Just please like this video. The link could be in the description if you want this mod to download. And first, we have a P mod. You just tap 8-6. It will be. See, she's paying. And tap 6 to disable it. Then the flying mod. Flying mod is very awesome. Let's just spawn ladder. Let's just spawn stairs. There we go. And as we can see, we have girls here. And to spawn the girls, you just tap 4-3. 4-3. 4-3. 4-3. 4-3. 4-3. What the fuck? Why did you didn't disable it? I forgot the code. But all the code, I forgot the code of the mod, the girl mod. And this mod is very helpful too. Cause if there's something here to do, I think if there's a police trying to kill you, they're gonna kill the police, and they have a unlimited life. So all the codes of the mod will be in the description. All the codes, but except the flying mod. Flying mod, there's no code on him. You just jump and he will fly. So next, this enterable house, homie's house. Enterable homie's house. Right, as you can see, we have a Sweet's house, Big Smoke's house, and Ryder's house over there. The girl will follow you. And let's try to fly. Hey, disable that phone. Hey, get out of there. I think there's something glitch happened because it is still holding the phone. Something glitch happened. So, let's try to fly. Hi. You cannot use jetpack if you have this flying mode. If you fly jetpack, the jetpack will disappear. What the fuck? Keep flying, CJ. You can do it, CJ. Fuck you, girls. You just stay there. Stay there, girls. Can't move. Shh. There you go. As you can see, we're flying. Flying to the sky. And let's try to land up here in the arena. I forgot the codes of the arrow mode I still remember, but just I'm gonna add all the codes in description, and we have a big gangster mod. Just tapping here and here. This is the big gangster. As we can see, we have all the characters in GTA San Andreas, and they will follow you too. And as we can see, they are in your radar. They are appearing, and this mod is very helpful too, because they will help you to kill something. They kill in ballads and police. If some police kill you, just let go and just click this mode, and they're gonna follow you. And as you can see, they following me. You just keep following me, but I'm gonna fly. Goodbye, boys. I'm gonna fly. I will see you later. Boys, I will see you later. Goodbye, boys. And last mod, I think the motor mod. You can get the motor mod in you spawn motor, and you can drive all over what you want. You can drive in walls, but it's hard to show that, but that's the mod. All the mods will be in the description. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. And here is how do you install the mod. Here how to install the mod. You need a Astro File Manager or any file manager like this. Is for Explorer, Astro Manager, both of them, but just you need a file manager. And go to SD card. If you download it, you're gonna go and download. As you can see, we have a what's that thing? Mod pack. Oh, so guys, I actually deleted, but After that, this is this is there is super pack mod. You can see we have all here car view, cars, and if you do them into do, you will have a clay mod, and this is the clay mod, and you will have a GT Leo here, casa, decks, laser teleport, lift, CSA, long armor, speedometer mod, wall ride, casa, and war. The war is 6 months, so you need to copy all them into your Android data, Rockstar, kung kapag dito yung San Andreas, paste it, and here is all the mods. And guys, please subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. And remember what I say, I'm gonna make a all the link of this mod in the description. And remember guys, I'm gonna make a video like play Minecraft, just all for you guys. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching. And please subscribe, and thanks for watching guys.